Here is the CAD file and blueprint for tutorial number 1. As you can see, we are using material, aluminum, 6061, and this file can be found on www.emastercam.com. Hello everyone and welcome to the Mill Advanced Training tutorial number 1. As you can see here, I've gone ahead and established my grid under grid settings and changed my default wireframe color to a dark blue. I did this by going through step number 1, which is setting up the graphic user interface. I'm going to continue on with step number 2, but if you haven't done step number 1, please do so before you continue. What I haven't done also is come up to the section here, right-click, load workspace, and select 3D toolpaths. Along the left-hand side here, these icons will change, and these are now our 3D toolpaths along the side. So now that I'm all ready to go, I'm going to continue on with step number 2, which is to create rectangles. Come up to the top and go Create, scroll down and select Rectangle. From here, we are going to insert the value 5, and we're going to insert the height of 5 and hit Enter on our keyboard. Make sure that Anchor to Center is also selected and turned on. Come down here and select the origin. Select Apply. We are going to change the value of the width and height to 4 both. Come down and select the origin with the Anchor to Center still selected, and select the Apply button. After you've done this, make sure that 3D is turned on down here. You can toggle it by just clicking on it, and we are going to make sure that our values for our rectangle are 2.5 by 2.5. Once you have this, come up to the top here and insert the value for X to be 0, Y to be 0, and the Z depth to be negative 0.375 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Once this is done, select OK. And just to make sure that this is correct, just select the isometric button here and your geometry should look like this. Once you are happy with the scores that you've created, come up to the top and select Create, go down to Fillet and select Chains. Once this is done, just select the top WCS plane up at the top here, and we are going to make sure that the chain is the chaining method that we select in our dialog box. Select the inner square here and select OK when done. When this is done, we're going to change the radius to 1 and hit Enter on our keyboard, and we're going to make sure that the style is set to normal. Also, we're going to make sure that trim is selected as opposed to no trim. So when all those parameters are met, just select Apply and select the inner rectangle here and select OK. We're going to make this radius 0.5, and we're going to make sure that the style is normal and that it is trimmed as well. So when this is done, just select OK. Come up to the top and select Create, Arc, Circle, Center Point. Make sure that it has a diameter of 0.5 and hit Enter on your keyboard. When this is established, just come up to the top here, enter 0 for X, 0 for Y, and give it a Z depth of negative 0.25 and hit Enter on your keyboard when done. Once this is done, come up to the top and select Apply. Change your diameter now to 1 and hit Enter on your keyboard. When this is done, come back up to your XYZ and select 0, 0, and give your Z value negative 0.5 and hit Enter on your keyboard. When this is done, select OK. Select the isometric view in order to see your part. It should look like this. Once we have created the wireframe, what we're going to do next is add surfaces to it. Come up to the top and select Create. Go down and select Surface and select Draft. From here, make sure that Chain is selected and select this circle right here. Hit Enter on your keyboard. Change the length to 0.25 and hit Enter. From here, also adjust the angle to 10. As you can see, we need to flip the part here, and we need to flip the angle as well. Your part should look like this. If you rotate, you should be able to see it well below your grid. Select Apply when you have this. Select the bigger circle and select OK again. Make sure that the values are still the same, 0.25 length and at a 10-degree angle. Scroll down so you can see the part a little bit better. As you can see, this surface here should connect to this surface here if you rotate it like so. Once this is done, select Apply. From here, come up to the top, and if you have to, select the isometric button again. Grab this line, select OK. Change the length to 0.375 and hit enter on your keyboard. Once this is done, make sure that it is on a 10-degree angle as well. You can toggle to see the difference. It should look something like this. Select the apply button. Once this is done, select this geometry here and select OK. From here, we will again leave the value 0.375, but this time we will change it to be on a 40-degree angle, like this. Once you have this, select OK. Your part should look like this, with this geometry right here aligning to the bottom of this geometry here. Select Fit and Isometric to continue. Once we have this done, come over to the side here and select Create. Hover over Curve and select Curve on one edge. From here, Mastercam will ask us to select a surface. Grab this surface here and move the green insert arrow all the way down and select here. You'll notice that the wireframe geometry is now created at the bottom of this surface. Do the same for this surface and these surfaces here. Once we have the bottom level done, come up to the top and do this one as well. Once this is done, select OK and Isometric so you can see your part a little bit better. Come down to the bottom and select Surface Color. Under Surface Color, we're going to change the color to number 2, or a dark green, and select OK. Come up to the top and go Create, Surface, and select Flat Boundary. Select the chains here and here, select OK, and select Apply. Grab the chains here and here, select OK, and select Apply. Select the chains here and here, going in opposite directions as you just saw. Select OK, select Apply. Here and here, select OK and Apply. And lastly, select the top here and select OK. Once this is done, exit out by hitting OK and select Isometric View. Once this is done, your part should look as shown. Come over to the top and select Create, hover over Surface, and select Draft. Select the outside perimeter here and select OK. You should have a length set to 1, and your angle should be set to 0. If your stock is above the Z0 plane here, simply just select the flip button to flip it down. Once this is done, select OK. Come down to the bottom here on Surface Color and change your surface current color to 151, or this light purplish color. Select OK when done. Come up to the top and go to Create. Go to Surface, hover over Fillet, and select two surfaces. Select this surface here, hit Enter on your keyboard, and then these surfaces that surround the surface we just clicked. Select Enter on your keyboard. You should make the fillet radius 0.125 and auto preview. If you auto preview and you get a warning message, just hit OK and go to flip normal. In flip normal, just make sure that everything is facing inwards and that this surface right here is facing up. Hit enter when done and select apply when finished. For the next step, we're going to grab this surface here, hit enter, and we are then going to grab each of these surfaces that surround it. Once you have selected these, simply hit enter on your keyboard and ensure the proper values are aligned to that of your training tutorial. 0.125, auto preview and trim are selected, and your normals are facing inwards and up. When this is done, select Apply. Select Isometric and also Fit to Screen if need be. From here, grab the top surface here and hit Enter on your keyboard. Once you have done this, select this surface as well and hit Enter. We need to change the fillet radius to 0.125 .05 and hit enter on our keyboard. If again you do get a warning message, just fix your normals here. Make sure that this surface is going up and this one is out. From here, hit enter and select apply. Select this surface here, hit enter to finish your selection, and then this surface here, and enter to finish that selection as well. Again, if you don't have a fillet here, fix your normals and give the fillet radius 0.05, trim, and auto preview. Once this is done, select OK. Select the fit icon and isometric. Your part should look like this. When it does, come up to the top and select File, Save As, and save your tutorial in a position where you'll be able to find it. I'm saving mine in a new folder called Mastercam X9 Mill Advanced Tutorials, and I'm going to name this Tutorial 1. Hit the Save button when done.